Hello friends, I'm on my VoiceThread page. See here, this is going to be the group that you're getting a link to. Some of my art history students will also get a link to this one. And reading evidence, I'm going to go to manage members. It's just me right now, okay? And I'm going to add members. I copy a link. That's the link that is on Haiku for you, okay? Now, you're going to come here and go to my identities. All of you, when you start VoiceThread, are going to have your initials, which is great in a small class, but we're about 100 people in this project. So I want you to change your avatar. What you're going to do is click that, right, and then take a picture from your webcam or upload a picture. I'm not going to do it now because my cam right now is recording me and it will stop this video. All right? You'll have done that. Wonderful. So now, let's say I want to, this is, let's say somebody's project, this is somebody's project, and let's add our own project. Let's create a new VoiceThread, okay? Let's, we might add a text media. I'm gonna add from my computer. Let's see, I'm going to go to VoiceThread Prep. Let's see, maybe Augusta Permaporta. Let's see, I have different images here. I'm gonna select this one. Do I have the Lamassu as well here? And this one. And I'm gonna open those. Okay? Pretty simple. You would normally put titles in here. Okay? It's processing. So I've added these images. Okay? All right. I'm going to share and return to the group. Okay? Others are going to be able to view and comment. That's wonderful. Submit. So friends, I showed you how to change your avatar and how to upload some images. Let's talk about annotating and commenting. So you'll each be building your own slides, and you can comment on your own, advancing your argument, your thesis, right? You'll each be doing that. But while you're constructing this, you may also comment on each other's work. So you might do things like type of comment below and how this represents a liminal space, no man's land, right? This idea that between two places is something that is uncertain and that we have to guard it, right? That might connect, right, to looking at this Lamassu, which is liminal space, perhaps. This idea of power that's letting you know that when you enter Sargon II's domain, it's regal, it's powerful, and you're aware of that. And so that's just one way of looking at it. And then you can start thinking about how do human beings, based on their faith systems, right? Whether it's faith in power and in leaders or faith in gods, really demarcate liminal space. That could be something that you might explore, right? And you might also start to do a video. Now, if I click this video, it's going to stop mine. So what I'm going to do is pause me doing this, record a comment. Okay, friends, so it's still processing. I just made a video comment. So I went to here and I made a video comment. All right, you can see already my old comment here, and let's go to this now. So I'm going to hit play. So I'm going to just create a thesis on the fly here. So one of the things that I'm talking about is how elaborate the demarcation of the liminal space is, right? In this case, in Sargon II, it's for kind of political power. But then I might take a look at, well, this could be interesting in terms of we think of in Palestine and in Israel, how the flow of people in that liminal space is regulated. That might be more complicated. Where I wanted to talk about more directly is this here, right? So you can indicate things, right? So how this entranceway, right, may be considered very similar to the Lamassu, okay? Also, if we look much more closely, the jams down here, this whole program where you enter into a space, okay, might be very similar to how the Lamassu is used. All right, I'm not going to do much more, but here you can make a visual argument as well as supporting it with video. You could even augment that with some text and other things. You can make slides that are that have your written work on it, as well as you'll include slides for your